If you're looking for a functional family vehicle with reliability and safety, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Touring in granite crystal metallic. With automatic headlamps, premium fog lamps, 17-inch 10-spoke aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, power sliding doors, LED tail lamps, power 8-way driver seat, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 37,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, 3-zone temp control, SiriusXM satellite radio, second row stow and go storage bins, second and third row stow and go seats, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5537.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.